The next thing I want to show you is how to erase a mistake. So let's say you're typing along on your document, and you'll know where you're typing because there will be like a little blinking bar there that's called the cursor, and wherever that is where you're typing. So let's say you're typing along. All right, now if you find that you've made a mistake and it's near your cursor, then all you have to do is press the backspace bar on your keyboard. So you can just backspace and you can fix it. But if you find that your mistake is farther back, you have a couple of options. Sometimes you'll see a little red line show up here, and you can right click and it will give you an option to just fix it. So you could just click on that and it would fix it. But if you decided you needed to fix something farther back, let's say I decided I don't like this sentence at all back here, I just want to take it off. Then I would just need to move my blinking cursor back to wherever the mistake was, and then I could backspace and erase and start over. And that's really all there is to fixing a mistake.